Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're regular subscribers, but if you're not, please subscribe, there's a button below. Today we've got an unboxing. I have cheated, I've cut the tape because you don't want to watch me cut tape. I think this is a brilliant little thing. I saw some images of them the other day, and my good friends at Dale Photographic have sent me a couple through. They're the only people in the country that import them. So if you want one, and once you've seen them, I'm sure you will, they're the people to go to. Let's get it out. Well wrapped, tons of bubble wrap. Right, here they are. And there they both are. Through the box as well. So we've got here the Platypod Ultra and the Platypod Max. What's a Platypod, you ask? That's what I thought when I first saw them. It's the world's most compact tripod. There it is. That is a Platypod Ultra. I think they're fantastic. They look amazing. And they weigh nothing. What comes in the box? The little strap. The Platypod itself. The carabiner, so you can just sling it on the back of your rucksack. And it just dangles there, so it's always ready. And 4 feet. These feet screw in. You can actually use them either way up, I'm sure. The idea is you screw them in from the top and you get spikes. This is my dining room table, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to screw them in from the bottom, so I don't have spikes. And they've got nice little rubber feet. I don't see any reason why that wouldn't work. And you can use 3 or 4. There's 2 holes there, there's one there, or there's a hole at the top. So I'm going to go in at the top. So I've got 3. That little ring will screw up to tighten it properly, to make sure it's not going to fall off. But just to show you for now, don't need that. That's what's in the box. That looks brilliant. How does it work? Pull off the little rubber thing there. Tripod head just attaches to that. Any tripod head you like will fit this, from big ones to tiny ones. Obviously the smaller you go, the lighter this will remain. The bigger you go, the heavier it's going to be. But you can imagine that can be pushed up against trees, can be pushed up against dry stone walls, can be used in cathedrals, places that they say no tripods. You screw the legs off. You haven't got a tripod anymore. It's just a flat bit on the bottom of the camera. And you can lay it down, use a ball and socket head to adjust for the perfect photo. That is the Ultra. They reckon that that will work with mirrorless, smallish cameras. I think that will support most anything. It looks tremendous. The idea of the strap, and I'm probably going to get this the wrong way around. Think of this logically. That goes through there. Comes back through there. Yeah, that's going to be it. Right, strap goes just round there like that, through those little grooves. And if you've got a tree, preferably not a tree, trees move, fence post, you just tighten it up around the fence post and then strap it on there, and that will hold it tight. So it's just another brilliant way of connecting it. Platypod Ultra. We're going to do full tests of these soon. So come back and have a look at those. I'll be putting them through their paces. This is the big boy, the Platypod Max. And Platypod Ultra will hold this quite easily. Absolutely sure. This is a full frame DSLR. Not the world's lightest either. Let's just stick a tripod head on there. Camera. Solid as a rock. That'll hold it, and what a fantastically low viewpoint. Absolutely brilliant. You're not going to get your tripod any lower than that, and if you want to get this any lower, just take the feet off. If you're using something big and heavy, like one of these. That might struggle on that. We'll try it out. Then you need the Platypod Max. That's this one. Oh, brilliant. It's got magnets. So magnetic little holders for your tripod feet, legs. Fits in there. I'm still going to stick with 3. One sticks in there. One sticks in there. And there you have it. Once you've screwed these up, the rings up, that will be as solid as a rock. Again, your tripod head goes on there. Obviously it's bigger, so it'll take a bigger tripod head quite easily. Both of these, I noticed, have got holes, a whole range of holes in this actually, and it's got tons of them. The ones there, there and there have actually, they're countersunk. So if you've got a permanent mounting point that you want to put this on, fence post or something, you can screw that on the wall. You could probably even put a security camera on it, or a time-lapse camera, or one of the tracker cams, anything like that. These both look fantastic. I'm really looking forward to putting them through their paces. As I say, Platypod Max, put it in another box. Platypod Ultra. Come back and see me soon, I'll do a full review. See you next time. Thank you.